You ever walk into someone's kitchen and just think, this works? Everything has a place, counter space to breathe, nothing fighting for room. And you can't explain exactly why it feels that way. After working on hundreds of kitchen renovations, I can tell you, it's almost never one big expensive thing. It's 11 small, smart decisions that most homeowners skip, and skipping them costs real money. Wasted space, daily frustration, a kitchen that feels dated within 5 years. Wait until you see number 1. It's the feature designers add to their own homes, almost never mentioned to clients, and it changes how the whole kitchen feels the moment you experience it. Let's get into it. Number 11. Pull-out cabinet organizers. Open a standard base cabinet and you get a dark cave, where things go to disappear. A pan you bought 2 years ago lives somewhere behind 3 other pans you never use. You crouch, you reach, you move 6 things to get to 1 thing. Every single day. Pull-out shelves fix this permanently. They bring the entire cabinet out to you. Every inch of depth becomes accessible, visible, reachable. The difference in daily use is immediate and dramatic. Cost installed, around $150 to $300 per cabinet. But here's what most people miss. These need to be specified before cabinets are ordered, not after. Retrofitting works, but costs more. If you're touching your kitchen at all, this is the moment. Number 10. Under cabinet lighting. Your countertops are where all the real work happens. Chopping, cooking, prepping, reading recipes. And in most kitchens, that entire workspace sits in shadow, blocked by the cabinets directly above it. A strip of warm LED lighting mounted underneath those upper cabinets changes the counter completely. The surface lights up. The kitchen immediately feels more intentional, more finished, more expensive. Plug-in LED strips, zero electrical work, peel, stick, plug in. Hardwired versions look cleaner if you want seamless. Either way, you're spending under $80 for an upgrade that buyers always comment on. They can't tell you exactly why it looks so good, but it does. Number 9. Deep drawer base cabinets instead of doors. Standard base cabinets with doors are inefficient by design. You're crouching, reaching into a dark box, moving things to get to other things. It's a daily inconvenience so familiar, most people don't even notice it anymore. 3 stacked deep drawers in a base cabinet change how your kitchen functions entirely. Pots, pans, cutting boards, even stacked plates, all in drawers you open with 1 finger. Everything visible at a glance, nothing hides. No crouching, no reaching. And drawer slides today are soft close as standard. Every drawer closes with a quiet, controlled glide. No slamming, no rattling. That experience alone signals quality to anyone who touches it, including buyers. Number 8. A properly vented range hood, ducted to the outside. Most kitchens have a recirculating hood. It pulls air through a filter and pushes it right back into the room. It doesn't remove moisture. It doesn't remove steam. It doesn't remove cooking odor. It just moves them around. Over time, that unvented moisture does real damage. Cabinet finishes degrade, paint peels above the stove. Cooking smells stay in your home for hours. In a kitchen that cost you thousands to renovate, that's an avoidable outcome. A ducted hood removes the air entirely. The kitchen clears in seconds after cooking. Cabinets stay clean, finishes last longer, and buyers standing in your kitchen, they feel the difference in air quality. They may not be able to name it, but they feel it. Number 7. Quartz countertops. Granite is beautiful, but it's porous. It absorbs liquids, it stains, it needs resealing every year or 2. And certain acids etch the surface permanently. Laminate looks fine on day 1 and shows its age within 3 years. Quartz is engineered stone, non-porous, stain-resistant, consistent in pattern, zero maintenance beyond wiping it down. For a high-use surface in the room where you prepare food, that combination matters enormously. And from a resale standpoint, Quartz is the expected material at the mid-range and above. Buyers have internalized this. Walking into a renovated kitchen with laminate counters tells them the renovation cut corners. Walking in with quartz tells them it didn't. Number 6. A kitchen island with real storage. A lot of kitchen islands are designed to look great in photos. 4 decorative legs, an open shelf, maybe 2 drawers. And they do photograph beautifully. But they're mostly furniture, pretending to be infrastructure. An island with full-height cabinets on one or both sides doubles your storage in a 2-foot footprint. Prep surface on top, an entire run of cabinetry below. For most kitchens, which are always short on storage, this solves the problem more completely than anything else. And when the island includes seating on one side, it becomes the social anchor of the kitchen. People gather there. It defines the space without walling it off. Prep surface, storage, gathering point. That's what separates an island that adds value from one that just takes up floor space. Number 5. Soft close hinges and drawer slides. On everything. You interact with kitchen cabinets and drawers dozens of times a day, thousands of interactions a year, and in most kitchens, every single one ends with a slam or a rattle. Soft close hardware catches the door or drawer an inch before close and eases it shut silently. It protects the cabinet box from repeated impact, and the moment a buyer opens and closes a drawer in your kitchen, that experience communicates quality. Before they've looked at a single material, before they've checked a single fixture. Retrofit kits run $3 to $5 per hinge. A full kitchen converts in an afternoon, and after that, every kitchen without it feels broken. Number 4. A dedicated pantry cabinet. Kitchen storage is almost always a volume problem. Upper cabinets, too high for daily use. Base cabinets require crouching. Counter space disappears under appliances that have nowhere to go, and dry goods end up stuffed into whatever's left. A tall pantry cabinet, built in or integrated into the existing cabinetry, solves the volume problem in 24 inches wide. Full height storage for dry goods, small appliances, cleaning supplies. Everything that's currently homeless in your kitchen. In homes where a walk-in pantry isn't possible, a well-designed pantry cabinet becomes the organizational anchor of the room. Buyers with families treat it as non-negotiable. It's one of the features that turns, "I like it," into, "We need to put in an offer." Number 3. A statement backsplash. Here's something counterintuitive. In a kitchen renovation, the backsplash is one of the few places where spending more actually shows. Countertops read as one flat surface, cabinets read as boxes, but the backsplash, the vertical surface your eye naturally goes to while cooking, that's where material and pattern are immediately, visibly present. Large format tile, a slab behind the range. Zellige, with its texture and glaze variation. These choices read as designed, not just functional. And in listing photos, the backsplash is almost always the element that makes a kitchen memorable. It's the visual signature. And here's the part that surprises people. A great backsplash doesn't have to cost more than a standard one. The decision is mostly about choosing boldly, rather than safely. Number 2. Large format floor tile. Small tiles, 12 by 12 squares, penny rounds, little mosaics, create a grid of grout lines across your entire floor. Every grout line collects dirt, discolors over time, visually chops the floor into pieces. In a small kitchen, all those lines make the room feel even smaller. Large format tiles, 24 by 24 or bigger, do the opposite. Fewer grout lines. The floor reads as one continuous surface instead of a patchwork. That continuity makes the kitchen feel significantly larger and more modern. It's one of the most reliable optical illusions in residential design. Go with rectified tile for the tightest grout joints. Neutral tones, light gray, warm white, soft concrete, keep it timeless. And if you want the floor to work even harder for you, combine it with what's coming at number 1. Number 1. Integrated panel-ready appliances. I saved this for last because it's the one that surprises people most, and the one that completely transforms how a kitchen reads. A standard refrigerator and dishwasher break the visual line of your cabinetry. You have a beautiful run of cabinet fronts, and then 2 stainless steel boxes interrupting it. The appliances announce themselves. They're always the first thing you see. Panel-ready appliances take cabinet-matching panels from your cabinet maker. The refrigerator disappears into the wall of cabinetry. The dishwasher becomes invisible. The kitchen reads as one continuous, unbroken design, floor to ceiling, wall to wall. The cost gap over standard appliances has narrowed significantly, and the visual impact, the thing that makes a kitchen look designed rather than assembled, is total and immediate. If you're doing any kitchen work that opens up the appliance area, this is the one you don't skip. You will not get a second chance without redoing it entirely. That's 11 kitchen features that genuinely pay you back. In daily quality of life, in how the space feels every time you walk in, and in what buyers are willing to offer when the time comes. Most of them are simpler and more affordable than you'd think. We hope these inspiring interiors have given you fresh ideas for elevating your own home with elegance and simplicity. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and share your favorite design idea in the comments below. Thank you for watching Home Framework, and we'll see you in the next video.